We're at the Vineyard Deliverance Evangelistic Church in Mechanicsville, Maryland on Loveville Road, Route 247. A car show. Let's see what's going on here. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Let's take a look around at some show cars. Nice day. It's probably in the 70s. Out here, a nice Chevy truck. Seen this one before. Nice, good brown with a lot of metallic in it. Got an LS swap going on in there. 69 SS 396 Chevelle. I've seen this car before. That's got a 454 in it. Wow. Hey Fred, how you doing? Fred's T-type Buick turbocharged Regal. It's really neat. 69 Camaro, the big block in it. Pretty neat. '48-ish Ford truck. A small block Ford in there. That's nice. Let's go down this next row. Look at that super sport Chevelle. That's pretty nice. A small block in it. Pretty neat. Got a dash here. That's nice. Something different. Look at this 67 Chevelle. $427. 327 Impala. Clean convertible. That small block in there. Let's get a shot of it from this side. Oh, it's got later mirrors on it. That looks nice. A nice car. 68 Chevelle. The big block. That's pretty nice. Pretty sanitary setup in there. Look at that. Let's hit the next row. LX Mustang. Nice dark bluish, purplish color. Cowl hood. Art. Seen this one before. Really nice body and paint. Kept the slant 6 in it. Billy's 64 Biscayne. Small block, 4-speed. Check out those headers. It's Nova. Early 60s Nova. It's got an LS in it. '68 to '72 Nova. Pro Stars. Small block Chevy. Carded carburetor. Maverick has a lot of tire under the back of it. We'll check that out in a minute. It's got a Ford motor in it. You can see how much tire it's got. Look how deep the wheels are. Got a roll cage in it. That's neat. A fuel cell and whatnot in the trunk, batteries. Mustang. Like the color. Winter shifter in there. It says 331, so it's a 302. With some mods to it. That's pretty neat. Maybe some more cars will show up later on, hopefully. We'll see. Got this early 50s Plymouth Belvedere. Trusty flathead 6. They have upgraded to a dual circuit master cylinder and power booster, so it's a good idea. You can at least stop. We got T-Bucket, small block Chevy. These can't weigh very much at all. Gotta be a scary ride, especially with no seat belts. Well, that'll do it for the show field for now. We'll come back if there's more cars that show up. Plenty of stuff to eat around here. Prices don't seem too bad. People are already into food. Got some funnel cakes if you want. And some fresh squeezed lemonade. They do help the community with food distribution. There's some more information if you're interested in helping or if you need help. Got a bouncy house for the kids. Get out of the sun if you want to eat. Nice place to sit. We had all these cars before, but now we got some new arrivals. This 70 Chevelle. Seen this car before. House of Color Gold. Really nice looking. Even has a little model of it in there. '68 Chevelle. That's neat. SS 396. A big block, as you'd expect. A Mustang Cobra. That's neat. I like the welds on there. Can't beat that. A turbo. Very nice. Saw the T-Bucket earlier. A 4-eyed Mustang, convertible. A carbureted small block Ford in there. Saw the Belvedere earlier. Nice car. Take a look inside as we go by. Really neat. Got Z01 Camaro. Supercharged. That's nice. And let's round things out with this Nova. Let's get it from the other side. I'll look at the detail in that engine compartment. What a great looking car. Even got some motorcycles here. Couple. Let's take a look at what we got here. Now look at the paint on the tank on that one, the fenders. Wow. Good stuff. Really nice looking stuff. Check out this Nova 66 or 7 with cowl hood. Nice stuff. Couple of Novas. Got a nice looking Z28 here. I like the Jegs drag wheels on it. about an 86 or so Cutlass. Weld wheels for the win on that. That's neat. Look at this. Got a Hearst Olds. 15th anniversary. Beautiful car. 307 V8 in it. Oldsmobile V8. This Corvette. It's looking pretty nice there. Let's look at it from the front. Great. Look at this Comet. I heard he's getting ready to paint this. It's going back white. Nice car. It's a 66 or 7. Not sure exactly which. Can't beat the looks of that. Early 50s, like 53 or so. Chevy. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat car. Yep. Can't beat the looks of that either. That should do it for the show here. Pretty good turnout. Probably go get something to eat, hang out for a while. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Hope to see everybody on the next one.